Assurance Wireless error code 6305 indicates your phone can't connect to the mobile data network, preventing internet access, MMS, and app updates. It often appears as unable to establish a data connection. This is often caused by APN misconfiguration, which means incorrect or outdated APN settings. Other causes include network congestion or outages, device or SIM issues, or software updates conflicting with the carrier apps. The error is most prevalent among users on Verizon-backed plans, where 6305 often stems from outdated APN, access point name settings. The primary solution for error code 6305 is to check and correct your access point name settings. Access these under Mobile Network Settings, then Access Point Names. The key fields to verify are Name, which should be Assurance Wireless, and APN, which should be VZ Winternet. If manual APN adjustment doesn't work, use the Assurance Wireless app's Fix My Connection feature. This automates the APN reset process and can resolve the error quickly. If problems persist, check the Assurance Wireless app for updates and install the latest version. Updated apps often include fixes for connectivity issues. For persistent issues, contact Assurance Wireless support. Be sure to mention that you've already tried updating the APN settings and updating the app, as this helps them provide targeted assistance.